What does your ideal deal look like?
What are you looking for? Cash flow? Are you looking to manipulate your balance sheet in a refinance? Are you looking at single family, multifamily?
Yeah. I kind of like the hybrids where you're getting a little bit of cash flow, but then it's sort of a fixer-upper. There's things to do to the property. So once we sell or refi, we'll get a big bang and increase our net worth.
Yes, amen. Good answer. Candida, what are you looking for?
Yeah, so we have not wanted to play into the deep value plays, and deep value plays are the ones that are in serious need of fixer-upper, and you probably don't see cash flow for 2 to 3 years. I mean, we've only been doing this for 2 years, and so the objective number one was to get cash flow with a bit of upside potential, so same on the hybrid side. Yeah, but you know, it's going to be different for everybody, and so what you have to figure out is, what is your goal? What do you want to do? And if you're looking at, you know, if you're happy with your corporate job and what you're looking for is kind of retirement that is a decade down the road, maybe the deep value plays, I mean, you can make incredible amounts of money if you have a bit of patience with those. In our case, I wanted to get Matt out of a corporate job very quickly, so patience wasn't quite. But we've talked about it. Now that we have a stable cash flow, like, should we get into a deep value play and get a 300% in 2 years' time? So.
Sharon, go ahead.
Okay, well, mostly we look for hybrid deals. The very first lead deal I did, and actually the first passive deals I did, were really yield plays, because all we cared about was a cash flow that was greater than what we could make on our investments. We were recouping from stock market losses and the fact that the banks paid nothing for the cash we had. But then we've evolved into more hybrid deals because we've found that it accelerates the cash flow potential, but it also has helped a lot with the net worth. And we're looking for, down the road, never having to worry about the need to spend down a retirement fund like we were, like Candida, we were college educated, did the corporate job thing, maxing out 401ks and all this other stuff and putting extra money in. We built a nice nest egg and then saw 35% of it disappear overnight. But we were on the mindset that you have enough money to outlive you and you're spending it down every year. Now we know that we can preserve capital and still have cash flow. So we look for things that are going to support that. We're not really looking for deep value plays either.
Kathy, what are you looking for?
So since we're in single family, I love cash flow from single family.
Yes.
So I want to
Anybody else like cash flow?
Love cash flow. So I want to continue with that, but we are also looking for a yield play because I do want to retire my husband and get him out of his job.